The Maid's Lament by Walter Savage Landor. Read for LibriVox.org. I loved him not, and yet now he is gone, I feel I am alone. I checked him while he spoke, yet could he speak? Alas, I would not check. For reasons not to love him once I sought, and wearied all my thought to vex myself and him. I now would give my love, could he but live, who lately lived for me. And when he found 'twas vain, in holy ground he hid his face amid the shades of death. I waste for him my breath, who wasted his for me, but mine returns, and this lorn bosom burns with stifling heat, heaving it up in sleep, and waking me to weep tears that had melted his soft heart. For years wept he as bitter tears. Merciful God! Such was his latest prayer, these may she never share. Quieter is his breath, his breast more cold than daisies in the mould, where children spell athwart the churchyard gate his name and life's brief date. Pray for him, gentle souls, whoe'er you be, and oh, pray too for me.
End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.